Hello, class. This is week 10 of Composition 2, and you will see it's kind of an easy week for you to really just make sure we're focusing on the research argument. And you'll see that right in here. We're just working on the research argument. There is a video lesson on the research argument. You click on this, it's going to take you here. You just got to scroll down to it. Actually, going to be right here. So you just click on this. It's going to talk a little bit about it so you have a better understanding of what we're trying to do. And then just kind of for fun, I like this discussion 22, testing ideas. I just really want you to do some very quick thinking. Just write it down. What is your topic to, boil down to one issue? How is it going to be addressed? If you had a magic wand, wave it to fix the problem with the issue. What is the result? And so you might want to think about how, there's a typo, sorry, about how there might be unintended effects of it. So if, let's say you're looking at social media and you want to say, well, no one uses social media anymore. Well, what are those other effects? Or kids can't use it. Well, what are the effects of social media being limited to certain age groups, especially if especially if these social media companies are highly dependent upon the revenue generated by younger users through advertising and things like that. There's a lot of unintended results that we might not think about. So I'm curious about this. So instead of just saying, oh, wave the wand and now social media isn't being used by preteens and the result is no one's using it, well, that's a little obvious. So think a little bit deeper into that result. Some dumb things that we could do to solve the issue. Again, social media, just have age checks. Well, you already have to enter your age for a lot of social media things. So, that's not going to work. So think about some of those things and then take a little break. That's an order, take a break, and then come back and look at some of these things and think about how maybe the easiest, simplest, dumbest solutions might actually tell us something. So it's just kind of a reflection. And then again, I have research in the library use videos for you in case you've missed those previous videos. So that's where we are with our research. It's very important that we move beyond this very shallow pro-con. There's good things and there's bad things. Let's just all be friends. Let's move to a deeper argument. Something is wrong and needs to be fixed. How? Who's it going to impact? What can be done legally, or what needs to change about society in order for it to be done? Is it being done like this somewhere else in the world? Those sorts of things are going to be important to study. And that's where our research comes in. How do we know this is going to work? Or how do we know this is a problem? How is it unique to our country or our area? Those are interesting questions for us to ask and look into. And that's kind of why I like all the topics that you're doing, because there are strong examples in a lot of them being addressed differently in other places. So consider that. Otherwise, I hope you have a good week. As always, make sure you contact me with questions and I will see you around.